Hi, my name is Yasir El-Hagan, and I'm a solutions architect with Amazon Web Services. Today, I'd like to show you a brief demonstration of how you can gain insights into your Amazon Connect contact center from transcribed call recordings using Amazon Transcribe and Amazon Comprehend. For my demonstration example, we will simulate an airline customer support center. I will show you how we can analyze call recordings to identify key phrases said by agents and drill down to which agent said what phrase to which customer. Before we dive into the demonstration, I'd like to walk you through a high-level architecture of the solution. For this example, I'm using call recordings from Amazon Connect, our cloud-based contact center service with pay-as-you-go pricing that makes it easy for any business to deliver better customer service experiences at lower cost. Amazon Connect call recordings are stereo files with the agent on one channel and the calling party on the other. Amazon Connect places the call recording files in Amazon S3 shortly after the call is disconnected. Our solution involves triggering an AWS step function as soon as the call recording is placed in the Amazon S3 bucket. AWS step functions let you coordinate multiple AWS services into a serverless workflow. The step function will pass the call recording object to Amazon Transcribe. Amazon Transcribe is an automatic speech recognition service that works with a wide range of audio files and is specially trained to support 8 kHz telephony audio. Transcripts will include timestamps, punctuation, and formatting. In addition, you can create a custom vocabulary that will help Amazon Transcribe recognize words that might be specific to your industry or use case. The resulting agent and calling party transcripts will then be processed by Amazon Comprehend. Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to find insights and relationships in text. Amazon Comprehend will process the transcripts to identify and extract entities, which are things like places, people, dates, and organizations, as well as key phrases and sentiment. All of this data will be tagged with the unique call ID associated with that phone call and exported to Amazon S3. Amazon Connect can be configured to push contact trace records to an Amazon Kinesis firehose. Contact trace records contain all the details about a given phone call, starting with the contact ID, which is a unique identifier for that contact. Contact trace records also include details like when a call connected to the system, what number they called from, what queue is associated with that call, and which agent accepted the call. All of this data will also be placed in Amazon S3. With the contact trace records, transcripts, entities, key phrases, and sentiment data all located in S3 and tagged with the unique contact ID, we can now use a relational database like Amazon Redshift or Amazon Athena to query and gain insights. For this demonstration, I will use Amazon QuickSight to interact and drill down into the data. I'm now logged into Amazon QuickSight. In this example, we set up a contact center to simulate an airline customer service center. Here you can see the different breakdown of entity types that Comprehend was able to identify. In this chart, for example, we take a look at the different locations that Comprehend was able to recognize out of the transcripts. I can see that Houston and Chicago are amongst the top discussed locations, but I also see that Iraq has been recognized. So now I can drill down and find out the agent that was speaking to a customer about that location. With Amazon Transcribe's ability to separate channels, I was able to get different transcripts and the resulting key phrases for customers and for agents. For example, here I can see that an agent mentioned something about mechanical problems to a customer. As a quality assurance analyst or an agent supervisor, I might find this concerning. I can simply click and drill down to agent username to find out which agent said mechanical problems, and the chart will update to show me that information. I can then drill down further and find out the phone number of the customer that the agent was speaking to when he mentioned mechanical problems. If I wanted to drill down further to get additional details about that call, I can continue to drill down and get to the unique contact ID of that call. With the transcript separated by agent and customer, I can also see things like sentiment by agent speech versus sentiment by customer speech. For example, if I'm interested in calls that resulted in a negative customer sentiment, I can go over to the sentiment by customer chart and drill down to the negative sentiment calls and get a better understanding of which queues those calls landed on. I hope you've enjoyed this brief demonstration of how you can gain insights into your contact center from transcribed call recordings using Amazon Transcribe and Amazon Comprehend.